Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding squishy, only ways. Start by measuring liquid and thickener precisely, then whisk to fully dissolve. Heat gently until thickening begins, but do not overcook. Cool the pudding until warm, then aerate lightly using a whisk or spatula to introduce air without breaking structure. Transfer to shallow containers for quick chilling and rest in fridge until the texture becomes pleasantly squishy and stable. Start with whole milk or a high-protein alternative for a firmer base, then pick cornstarch or arrowroot as your thickener for smooth gelation. Maintain a ratio around 2 tablespoons of starch per cup of liquid, adjusting slightly for desired squishiness. Include a tablespoon of cream or coconut milk per cup to enrich texture and prevent rubberiness. Mix thoroughly, heat until it thickens, then cool just until warm before aeration. Timing is everything. Whisk briskly after the pudding cools to warm, introducing air without deflating it. Stop whisking once you see consistent loft and silkiness to avoid collapse. Never boil aggressively. Gentle simmering yields the smoothest gel network. Pour into shallow dishes to chill quickly and evenly, which locks in a supple texture. Finish by resting in the fridge until the pudding holds a soft, squishy spring when tapped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.